Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to enable SSH in Cisco switch. So in this video I will show you by config it in the gns3. I use gns3 for config. Now I has add a switch and Windows 7 and cloud. For my cloud I share it the connection from my computer. So now I connect the cable, the PC in VMware to the switch, and the switch is the router from Cisco, but I use it as a router, but I use it as a switch. So now I want to show you about my adapter in gns3. So I use it so now I will config for the switch. Enable hostname. Okay, I config terminal hostname and I change the switch name to S1. So and then I will try to change the IP, assign the IP for the switch that we can use our PC to remote it by this IP. So I will apply for the VLAN 1 because it allow us to connect. Okay, and how about the IP that we need to put in the switch? So what IP that we need to use, we need to put it in the ranks the same as the NAT IP. So I will show you how the IP of my computer in NAT, and we will put the same IP rank in NAT that we can connect from out my PC to the VM and gns3 VM. So now IP already applied it 19.1. So I will start to think. Okay, now it connect that it makes that we can connect to the switch. So I will type the command telnet for. Okay, you can think now we can remote through the telnet because we not set the password to the switch. So I will enable username and password for login through the IP to the switch. It the user mode password. So the username admin and password is password at 123. Okay. And one more thing, we need to enable line VT1. So we need to go to line VTY line 0 and 1. It means that I allow two users for login at the same time. Okay. log in to local, log in local. Okay, before we get a password for login. Okay, now we can remote the switch. Sorry, I put the wrong password. Now we can remote to the user mode of switch, but we cannot go into the global private mode. So because we doesn't have put the password for the private mode, so I back to switch console to enable the password. So I put enable secret pass at 123. Okay, now we try again to enable to go to preview mode. Now we can enable. Now it requirement us for put the password. Yes, after password correct, we can now go to preview mode and go to configuration mode also. Okay, now I do that for server configuration. So it from my real PC, not in the way VMware or gns3, that I can use and remote it from my real PC. Okay, this is my PuTTY program, so I try to log in by this PuTTY. Okay, because I put the ASA and not yet configure ASA, just allow telnet, so I cannot log in. So this one is telnet. Yes, it's correct. So we can connect to our switch in gns3 by PuTTY. For this switch is not the real switch from the image of Cisco switch in gns3, so it's not, but normally for some command, because it's a router that I make it as switch. And now I try to connect it in the gns3, because we also connect this switch to Windows 7 in VMware, that it connect to this switch too. So in this VMware machine, I also install PuTTY, and this is the IP that obtained from the switch, so it could connect to the switch also. So I will show you that this PC also can connect to the switch by use telnet policy. Oh, sorry, the telnet protocol. So it should be the network adapter 2. Yeah, network adapter 2, because I already disable on adapter 1, we call adapter 2 and 3 I already disable. So the IP from the switch, as you can see, the default gateway is from our switch, so I will connect to telnet and put the IP. For S8 I cannot connect. Yeah, now we can connect to the switch as our real PC, also the PC in the VMware. Yeah, and a ball in it requirement the password. Okay, so everything is the same in the real PC. For the configuration in gns3, it's the same in real machine, but it has some problem because I use the router use a switch. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video.